Hello, my name is Mr. Abbott. During this presentation, I'm going to be discussing with you how to read a timetable, and during this, I will explain the class codes and the rooms. At Prayerfield High School, we use a 2-week timetable as shown. This means that your lessons often will not be at the same time over a 2-week period. There are 6 lessons each day, apart from on a Wednesday where there are 5. On Wednesdays, the school day finishes at 2:15 p.m. and every other day finishes at 3:15 p.m. When you start at Prayerfield High School, you'll be placed into a form group which is labelled as PDM on the timetable. As you can see, you'll have this lesson, period 1, every day, and this lesson lasts for half an hour. During this time, your form teacher completes a variety of tasks such as reading, maths challenges, uniform checks, the checking of stationery, and other. Every lesson other than period 1 lasts for 1 hour. So after PDM, you'll go to lesson 2, period 2. After your period 3 lesson is break time. This lasts for 15 minutes. It starts at 11:15 a.m. and finishes at 11:30. At around 11:25, you are to start heading to your period 4 lesson, which starts at 11:30. After period 4 is lunchtime. This is a 45-minute break and starts at 12:30 until 1:15. After lunchtime, you go to your period 5 lesson. On Wednesdays, period 5 is the last lesson of the day, but on any other school day, there will be a period 6 lesson too. When you look at a timetable, the areas that are written in bold are the subject code. This explains what lesson the period is. As shown in the examples, 7B FR2 simply means the lesson is French set 2. 7B MA1 means that the lesson is mathematics and that they are in set 1 for this. The codes for all of your subjects are shown on the slide. Please look over this if you are unsure of what the lessons are. Now that you know what period the lesson is and what subject it is, you need to know where to go. For this, you look at the room code, which is always on the right-hand side of the boxes. In the example shown, the arrow is pointing to a lesson which is Tuesday period 6 and located in new block, room number 6. On the slide, I have explained what the room code means. This will help you when you are trying to find the room. When you have a PE lesson, if it says on your timetable F, this means that you may be on the field for this lesson. Please do not head straight to the field. Go to the changing rooms and get changed first. Then your teacher will tell you where you are to go. Under the subject code, you will see letters. This simply means the teacher for that lesson. In the example that I have shown, MAS means Mr. Abbott. In the week 1 example, this pupil has Mr. Abbott, period 5 on a Wednesday for PE. And on week 2, the same pupil has Mr. Abbott for a history lesson, period 5 on a Wednesday. Please use this PowerPoint or listen to the tutorial again if you are unsure of anything on the timetable. But do not worry, we will guide you through this when needed.